In this video, we're going to show you how to install the interior door handle on your Honda Ridgeline located on the inside of the driver's side front door. Now, right behind the door handle here, there's a little plastic cap. We're going to use a pocket screwdriver, and when you pull this open, you're going to access that plastic cap. Right on the very bottom of this cap, there's a little notch. Go ahead and try and pop that out. Here's a little notch right there that you're going to put your pocket screwdriver into. Go ahead and set that aside. Now right behind here, there should be a series of screws. Looks like we have two in here. We're using a 7mm and an extension with our ratchet. So it's just those two 7mm screws. The handle assembly itself will pull out. Now there's a cable unit right here, and it has a plastic retainer clip securing that there. We can use a pocket screwdriver. You can sometimes use your finger if you can get it in there, but you can just pry gently, and you're going to go sideways and pop that clip up. The cable end has a 90-degree end on it, so you're just going to gently pull that up and out and release that. And then the cable end snaps into the assembly, so you're simply going to grab it and pull it out evenly, like so. Go ahead and grab that cable end, feed it into the latch unit here, snap that over. Go ahead and install the green retainer into the handle. Push that in. And this side here inserts first, and then push the handle into place. Just get one screw started there. Grab the other one. Once you get both of them started, I'll go ahead and snug those down. Now you have your little cover right here. The notch itself for that pocket screwdriver was at the bottom. It has two little tabs on the top. So when you pull this out and insert this, be sure to insert the top in first. And then push the lower in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.